The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Over the past 2 days, approximately 6,000 cases of an unknown disease have been reported in the southwestern United States, primarily throughout the state of California. Those with this disease have been exhibiting symptoms including, but not limited to, vomiting blood, burning skin, and a severe shortness of breath. So far, approximately 95% of the cases of this disease have resulted in death. While no government actions have been taken at the time of this broadcast, we encourage all residents of the southwestern United States to stay inside your homes. Lock all windows and doors, and seal all cracks with tape or damp towels. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The mysterious disease, which first emerged in Southern California approximately 2 days ago, is rapidly spreading and killing. Over 50,000 cases have been reported as of this broadcast, with approximately 45,000 deaths. It is likely that there are many more as hospitals are overflowing, and it is impossible to know just how many cases there are of this disease. This disease appears to be caused by an influenza virus. This disease has been given the name complete organ failure influenza, or COFI. Out of an abundance of caution, the governors of the states of California, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, and Nevada have all issued absolute lockdown orders. No one is to leave their homes, except for government workers providing essential supplies to those who need them. If you need essential supplies, call 213-555-0100. I repeat, if you need essential supplies, call 213-555-0100. Do not leave your home under any circumstances, unless you are a designated government worker for delivering essential supplies. If you leave your home, you will be arrested. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KTLA. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is KTLA. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Los Angeles area. If you are not in the Los Angeles area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. The following message is issued at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The deadly COVID disease has spread to all 50 states and many other countries. The lockdowns that were in place in the western United States have been lifted, as they were ineffective in stopping the disease. Over 200 million Americans have fallen to this disease. Every person who has caught the disease has died within 1 hour. How this disease has spread so fast and killed so many is unknown to scientists. What is known is that the end is nigh. While the population of the United States of America is likely to be eliminated, the United States of America itself will never die. Please join me as we play the national anthem one last time.